Hello YouTube fans, this is Shade Tree Chris. So you want to install a bigger wheel tire setup on your Honda CR-V? I'll show you how to do it. It's real easy. All it takes is the proper wheel spacer. What I had on my Honda CR-V was the incorrect one. This caused a huge vibration above 40 miles an hour and it did not stop, it just got worse. So I bought a new one on eBay and this pretty much fixed my problem. Just make sure you got the proper one. Right now, I am showing you the old wheel spacer that I had, which caused a lot of vibrations. The inner diameter is too large and it did not fit tight on the surface of my hub, which caused a lopsidedness when installed and an out of balance when driving. So the out of balance was causing my vibration when I go faster and faster during higher speeds and driving. The new spacer that I'm going to show you next is a lot better. It's meant for this vehicle, 5 by 114.3, and the inner diameter fits the proper Honda style hub. The one that right here is just for a universal type. Next, I'm going to show you the measurements of my old wheel spacer compared to the new one. I have my digital caliper out from Harbor Freight, but it does what it's supposed to. And I'm going to measure the thickness of it for you guys. Measurement comes out about 8 millimeters thick. And I'll right there, 7.92, about 8 millimeters thick. And I'm going to measure the inner diameter of this spacer. And the measurement comes out to about 90 millimeters. It's too large for the Honda hub. The Honda hub is only 64.1, so there's a 30 millimeter difference between this universal spacer and the hub. So that's what's part of my issue, causing an out of balance on my drive on this car. The next one will be the new wheel spacer that I bought on eBay, 5 by 114. And the measurement of the inner hub is roughly 64 millimeters. The thickness, I went 1 millimeter thicker, so it comes up to 9 millimeters. I just wanted to be sure that it would clear the caliper bracket on the CR-V, because I had to use washers on the one side. I don't know why. I guess because of the bigger bore in the old wheel spacer, and I could not get a proper fitment. Next will be me installing this spacer and just Alright, that's with the old style spacer. As you can see by how it looks, it does not, it's not a good fit with the bore, and that's what's causing my vibration, was that this type of spacer. Once I install the new spacer, it should reduce the vibration when I'm driving due to the fact that it's tight. It's not going to wobble around or cause any lopsided weakness on the balance. Like right there, you can see that it fits nice and tight. It's right on there. Apologize for the broken lug thread over there, but we'll deal with it later. But you can see that it fits nice and tight, and it should reduce my vibration issue. And all I gotta do is reinstall it. I'm gonna test drive it later and see how it is and how it feels.